Cindy and we're both sophomores at Westminster High School.
I'm Christina and our project is the effect of various plastics leachate on Salvia hispanica.
We saw when plastics degrade, they release bad gases such as methane and ethylene. We wondered about the harmful impact it could pose specifically on the plant Salvia hispanica. We tested common plastics that are commonly thermally impacted such as PET used in water bottles, LDPE and HDPE used in plastic bags, PVC with its history of containing bisphenol A, and PVC used in irrigation systems constantly exposed to sunlight. We hypothesized that the leachate of the plastics will most negatively impact the plants, specifically the plastic PVC with its history of containing bisphenol A, PVC with its history containing phthalates will most negatively impact the plants in stunted development. Alongside this, we predict that plastics in boiling water longer will contribute to increased leach chemicals as the activation energy for more chemical reactions to occur will be reached. Our procedure in summary is that we boiled plastic and water on a hot plate and we used the water to make an agar as a growing medium for the plants. We let the plants vernalize in the fridge for 2 days and we took them out to a greenhouse to grow for an additional 7 days. For better accuracy, we did 5 trials for each plastic and each sample was roughly 150 seeds.
For our results, we measured height, mass, and percentage germinated, and we used error bars for evaluation. We observed little effect on the treated plants when compared to the negative control. The positive control confirmed that the monomers of plastics do have a negative effect on development, with the P treatment following the same trend in terms of height, most likely due to the plastic having a considerably lower glass transition temperature, leading to more leach chemicals. Furthermore, the P group had the greatest average mass and did not match with either control, possibly due to the effect of a different chemical or poor sampling. Another trend observed was larger sample sizes with less germination, or overcrowding leading to less growth, rather than the leachate. The LDPE group stood out as it was the only group contradicting this trend while also having the greatest mean height, possibly cluing its leachate being beneficial. Plastics overall do contain harmful chemicals, and so heat exposure should be avoided. In future experiments, conditions should be more controlled, and further variables could be tested, such as long versus short-term effects and more plastics, like polystyrene and polypropylene. The specific chemicals leached could be investigated as well, using methods like gas chromatography and mass spectrometry.